Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to fix your privacy settings to prevent you from joining this server on Roblox. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Roblox player. But before that, right-click on your Roblox player and then go to Properties. Once here, head on over to Compatibility tab. And then, check on Run this program as an administrator. It's very important to do that. Then click on Apply. Then OK. You can now close this one. The next step is to open your internet browser. And then click on the three dots in the upper right. In here, head on over to Settings. Once in Settings, use the search bar and then click on Security. Tap on the shield that says Security. Once you're here, head on over to Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. In here, you can choose whichever one you prefer. Then scroll down. Once you're done with privacy and security this time, you can now go back to the search bar and then search for browsing. Once you search browsing, click on Clear Browsing Data. This one over here. And then the next step is to click on Clear Data. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.